Hi, I'm Sean Bisayone here with the DriMaster 3 tool. And I'd like to talk about this tool in our classes that I train with all over the country as one of the premium choices for us. And the key reason that we really enjoy this tool is it relieves the fear of the customer, and particularly the contractor, cleaning of over-wetting their fabric. This tool does not allow the water to spray out of the tool's head when you're cleaning. It will simply shear the water across the surface, which we'll demonstrate for you in a few minutes. So the choice of cleaning products and cleaning tools is often the concern that of a cleaner. We've found between the high quality products that DriMaster has produced with their upholstery line to being able to give us some really obvious decisions of whether it's a fine fabric or a heavy duty durable fabric. It gives us the choices to make decisions that are easy to make based on the type of fabric we're cleaning and to not have fear of damaging that material. And here we can see the water flowing through from the lip of this tool, and it shears both to the front onto the fabric surface. Here you can see how it's being trapped as that water is actually going both directions and shearing. First thing to do, turn your tool on, set your water flow so it's just flowing through, but without using all of that water that can come through. You just want to set it to just bleed through that side, and then once it hits the fabric, it's not going to over-wet at all. A lot of the other tools on the market can come out of adjustment and then over-wet and even spray through into the fabric while you're working on the fabric. This tool will not do that. You can set it and forget it. And we can easily glide that over the fabric surface, around the molding and the contoured areas. With very little strain on our wrist or our arm as we're cleaning. One of the reasons we really like it in the field is because, as any tool will, once they start getting hair and things collected from the upholstery up inside, they're often hard to service. This tool has been designed with very easy serviceability where you just have to release the screws, pop the head loose from that, and this is easy to clean out the inner components of it so you don't have field loss of vacuum and performance loss in the field.